How a Beginner Will Master English Listening in 2025. Welcome to English Listening Mastery 2025, where struggling to understand native speakers is officially a thing of the past. If fast-talking YouTubers, tricky accents, or rapid conversations make you feel like you're decoding secret messages, don't worry. We've got the perfect roadmap for you. Pause for effect. Whether you need better listening skills for work, travel, exams, or just to finally understand what your favorite streamer is saying, this is your ultimate beginner's guide to mastering English listening in 2025. Before we dive in, smash that like button, like you're skipping a long ad. And don't forget to subscribe, because unlike those tangled earphones in your bag, this channel actually helps you hear better. Oh, and send this to a friend who always asks, wait, what did they just say? Even when watching with subtitles. Step 1, warm up with slow and clear audio. Your ears need a warm-up. Listening isn't about speed, it's about training your brain to recognize sounds. Start with slow, clear speech. Use apps like BBC Learning English, TED-Ed, and VOA Learning English. Try audiobooks for beginners. Pick stories you already know. Read along while listening. Use subtitles and transcripts to match sounds with words. Pro tip: start at 0.75x speed, then slowly increase as you improve. Step 2. Train your brain to recognize sounds. English sounds are tricky. Learn common connected speech like gonna, they, wanna, lemme, dunno. Use phonetics apps to master tough sounds like the tits in this versus think. Shadowing technique. Repeat sentences exactly like the speaker. Best practice. Listen, pause, repeat out loud, compare. Step 3. Listen to real conversations. Textbooks won't teach you real-life English. Watch vlogs, interviews, and unscripted conversations. Try talk shows, reality TV, and casual English chats. Use interactive listening apps like LingQ, English Class 101. Pro tip: try passive listening. Play English audio while cooking, commuting, or working out. Step 4. Challenge yourself with fast English. Listen to podcasts like The Daily, ESL Pod, or TED Talks. Watch movies and shows without subtitles. Pause and check your understanding. Ask yourself, what's the topic? Who's talking? What's their mood? Listening hack: listen twice. First for general meaning, then for details. Step 5. Get used to different accents. English isn't just American or British. Train your ears for Australian, Canadian, and Indian English. Watch YouTube channels featuring global English speakers. Listen to interviews with non-native speakers to learn how English sounds worldwide. Pro tip: if an accent feels too hard, start with subtitles, then gradually remove them. Step 6. Interactive listening. Speak and respond. Don't just listen, interact. Practice dictation. Write what you hear, then check accuracy. Join online English listening clubs or Discord groups. Use AI tools like ChatGPT voice mode for simulated conversations. Fun challenge: listen to a short story, pause, and predict what happens next. Step 7. Build a daily listening routine. Make English a habit. Morning: listen to an English podcast while getting ready. Afternoon: watch a short English video during lunch. Evening: have a 5-minute conversation with yourself or a friend. Weekend challenge: watch a full movie in English. No cheating. Final hack: change your phone language to English. It forces you to listen daily. And that is how a beginner will master English listening in 2025. So, what are you waiting for? Your ears need training. Start now. And remember, subscribe, or I'll make you listen to a 10-hour lecture on why English spelling makes no sense. You've been warned.